Hey guys, it's Wane here coming at you with a new video. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my honest review of the new Oberlo rebrand. You may have seen how there has been a big change in the Oberlo business model. There's been new messaging, there's been new styles, new courses released. So I'm going to go through it all and I'm going to walk you through what's new and how it can benefit your learning going forwards. For full transparency, this video has been sponsored by Oberlo and they have sent me some merch. As you can see here, I have the official Oberlo Ding 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 hoodie, and I've also got the Oberlo self-made t-shirt that they've sent over to me so I can be fully involved in the new brand. But saying that, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular in this video. This is just my honest review of the direction they are going and what they are now offering to you. So everything I say in this video is just my opinion. They have just asked me to review the rebrand. So with that being said, let's jump right into the review. So as you can see, the Oberlo brand has had a complete rehaul. It's a totally new look and feel they're offering. It's a lot more than just typical dropshipping topics now. It's all around building an online business and everything that's involved with it, which is really great to see. And I'm loving the where self-made is made tag. I mean, that couldn't be more true for myself personally. Oberlo was the reason why I did so well with my first dropshipping store. They were the reason why I finally managed to take that LA to New York road trip. So yeah, my self-made tag was definitely made with Oberlo. So that is a great tagline to have on there as well. But as you can see here from the homepage, there are a bunch of articles which are all around creating an online business and not just specifically around dropshipping. There's articles around coaching clients, there's articles around building automated webinars, and a bunch of other topics around the mindset and skills you need to build a successful online business. If you didn't already know, then they also have a Start Yours podcast, which is a podcast all about building successful online businesses. Yours truly was a guest on one of those episodes, so if you haven't listened to that yet, then shame on you. Make sure you go and listen to that because I do add a lot of value in that podcast. But as you can see, there is just so much content available for you to learn from on the website now. It's an unreal amount of effort that's gone into creating all this and bringing it into one place. And the best thing about it all is that it's totally free. Another awesome offer they have is their Level Up courses, which again are totally free. Oberlo have released almost 9 hours worth of course material that take you through everything from mindset, building your first dropshipping business, Instagram brand building, mobile photography, using TikTok to get sales, and how to do winning product research. They may even add more to this over the coming months, so keep coming back because it's a great starting point to get your very own e-com business up and running without any prior experience. Looking at the coaches they've got, it's a great mix of experienced entrepreneurs, which is going to give you a wide variety of knowledge across different topics. It's really good to see this variety of content because people think that dropshipping is, some get-rich-quick business that you can just throw together in a few hours and make a success of it, but unfortunately it's not. Dropshipping is just a fulfillment model. What you're actually doing is you're building an e-commerce business, and with that comes a lot of skills and a lot of mindset work that you need to do in order to make a success of it. So it's great that Oberlo are putting the work in to cover those other topics as well. Now, obviously the free content they are offering in these courses isn't going to be at the same level you get from a paid course or a paid mentorship program, but it's an amazing place to get started, especially if you're new to online business and you have a low budget, but still want to learn how to get this going the right way. I've gone through some of the new content myself and I've learned a few things. So even if you consider yourself a little more experienced, still check it out because you could learn something new as well. When I think back to when I first got started building an online business, there was nothing like this available. We just had to figure it out through trial and error, and having this type of information would have made everything so much easier and probably would have saved me thousands of dollars in expensive mistakes over the years. So you're pretty lucky if you're just getting started with this because the content that Oberlo is putting out there on the website is going to help you a lot to get everything off the ground. I think the complete rebrand they've done and the new content is honestly going to add a lot of value, and it's well worth your time to check it out. I have added a link in the description that will take you straight to the Oberlo website. So, once you finish watching this video, make sure you go and click that link to learn more about how to grow your online business. And finally, just a quick update. I still have spots available for people who are interested in working closely with me to build a dropshipping business over the next 90 days. There is a link in the description as well to book a call with me and my team to discuss your goals. So if you want that next level of support, then make sure you book a free call through that link as well. But with that being said, that's the end of this video. Go and check out the Oberlo website. Keep working hard. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one.